Please God, He's going to empower us. He's going to fill us. The servant of God, may the Lord bless you. God is saying that we're going to go through. Because we are going to give the sacrifice. If we are still at the shores, we cannot give in. They told us right to give in the sacrifice, and it said we cannot. Because it had not gone through. But if God tells us that we are going to go through, but every word of God has the purpose. He said, listen. Meaning that your ear has to be alert every time. Because in this you're going to put away your power. You're going to put away your knowledge. Your power may fail. Maybe it failed a long time ago. So here there is a grace of God that has come to meet us. It needs us to listen. We do what God is telling us. I wish we don't listen and we fail to do what God is saying. We are going to miss. They are Israelites who were in slavery. They failed to worship in slavery. The Lord's voice came speaking to them. There are people who did not kill the lamb. There are people who were next to the Egyptian. And they failed to listen to the voice of the servant of God. The challenge is that meant that Egyptians also shared with. They also shared because of failing to listen. But even the Egyptians who listened, and they killed the lamb, and they did like the way the Israelites were told. When the angel of death came, did not enter in their house. And when Israelites was moving to go and go through, even these people could move with them. They moved with them even though they became a problem to them. But they passed through even the Red Sea. Because they listened. So you the born again, one of the things that you need to do it is listen. And after listening, you obey and do. For he said you're going to go through. Not by your power, not by your own understanding, but by the Lord's power. So what are we needed to do? Once you listen, you add on faith. Because faith comes from hearing, and hearing the word of God. So this one needs faith. I started with listening. Now I'm speaking of faith. Because faith originates from listening. Because what we are going to feed, we don't manage as we. Your education doesn't manage. Your capital doesn't manage. But there is power that can manage, that to speak to us, that prepare your soul. You are going. You're departing from the position. I'm making you go through that big nation. You cannot even shake. You cannot shake the position. Don't sit at the seat. My God is great. You're going to sit. You need to hear. Once you hear, by God's grace, you're going to go through. You're going to eat all the nations that you reach and you say, what has this happened? What has this come? But by God's grace, by God's love, He has forgiven. Not by the Holy Spirit. To take you the other side is not your right. Not your love that you put into God. First, it is by His covenant. Because they are your grands that He spoke to. They are the ministers He made to lead.